I'm Pierre Menard. I lifted the front of my car with the Hunter's Pod. I measured about 1,000 psi, 1,000 pounds that it weighs. It's at touching ground. I'm testing the adjustable legs. I know the weight because this cylinder works in compression and it has 2.5 square inch in surface, and the pressure is 375 psi. That makes it roughly 1,000 pounds. This is the Hunter's Pod, close look, and I'm using the adjustable legs to the maximum height. The engine is then complete. I'll show you the Hunter's Pod a little closer. It has 2-inch tubing and the eye bolt is, I do it myself, I make it myself. It's a 1/2-inch threaded rod with a 3/8 eye bolt here. The plate is 1/4 of an inch and there's a nylon lock nut that keeps it in place. The Hunter's Pod was meant to be used with wood, pieces of wood we find in the woods. We stick them in there. Oh, it's backwards. This way. And then we tighten the screw. So it remains in. It's against this pin, so it's very sturdy. But it can also be used with aluminum tubing. 1.5 inch this way, and we block it with the same screw. I also have connectors for somebody that would want to work with fixed length of tubing. There's a hole in them already. So once they're prepared and installed, we put a bolt and they remain captive. Here I have one. Even though it's loose, it stays there. Can't lose it. So if I want to make this part longer here, I stick another piece of tubing and I just tighten it. It's really sturdy. We can make it the length we want. When we work with tubings, we use feet. I sell these. They just go on top of the tubing and put a bolt drill, put a bolt in. They're already pre-drilled.